Till now we learn LL1 parser, or we can say recursive descent parser, in which we learn how LL1 parser function. So for LL1 parsing table construction, two functions are required, that is first and follow. So first we discussed the first one. What is first? So first, the start symbol gives set of all terminals that may begin in strings derived from S, or we can say start symbol. So let's understand with the example. Suppose we have this grammar: S tends to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what will be the first of S? That is a start symbol. So first of S will be, as we have seen, given first S gives set of all terminals that may begin in the string derived from S. So this is the production of S. So the first terminal is A here. The second, for second production, the terminal is C here. For third production, the terminal is E here, and the fourth production, the terminal is G here. So this is the first of that grammar. So we can say first symbol of every production called first. The first symbol, or we can say the first terminal of every production, is called first. Now move to the next example. Suppose we have this grammar. So the first of S will be first terminal A, for second production terminal is C, for third production terminal is E, for fourth production terminal is G. But now what we have? Epsilon. So epsilon will also come here. But now going to take another example. Suppose we have this production S tends to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and A, B, C. So first of S will be, for first production the terminal is A, for second production the terminal is D, for third production the terminal is G. But for the fourth production, what we have? We have variable, we don't have terminal. So what we will find out? We will find out the first of A, B, C, and for the first variable A, suppose we have A tends to B oblique C. So we will find the first of A, because here we have three variables, so we will take the first one variable. So first of A. So first of A, because we have these two production, the first of A will be for first production B, for second production C. So the total first of A will be, again we will write A, D, G, and from here B, C. So like that the first will be calculated. The first terminal of every production, or if we have variable, then we will go further for that variable and we will see what the production we have for that particular variable. So for that variable, the first terminal in all production will come to first of that S. So this is the way we calculate the first, which is required for LLVAL parsing table construction.